So where are we going to put this green? On our darkest darks. Okay then? Right here. Let's work right here. Check your drawing. Okay then? There's a highlight right here. You can see it. It's a kind of mid-tone highlight. Let's work under it. And that highlight will get darker. That highlight will get shinier. Okay then? Just by working it and putting a darker value around it will make that highlight look very white. Okay then? Okay then, see? It's starting to look more pronounced. Way better. The same thing goes down here. Just don't pressure your pencil. Let your pencil do the magic. We're going to intensify that green with another blue, but not now. Okay then, here's another dark value over here on top of here. And another dark value up here. You see? Here as well. Let's darken this part right here. This right here. There we go, right? Let's work right here. There we go. Alright then, so let's work in the lip. Right over here. Here as well. And in the nostrils. In here. And you see, this green is different from this green. Because we worked with different types of layers and different types of pencils. So if you put just a normal green right here where we did not even touch anything, it looks like a different type of green, right? Okay. The same thing goes down here. Even if you just go a little bit out of your color, it's a different type of green. Here as well. And let's intensify this. Intensify it where it is. Stay there if you want, and it will get darker. And as you get towards the highlights, lighter. Shadow, highlight, go very light. There we go. Shadow, highlight, very, very light. The same thing goes in here. Same here. And it's giving us those green scales. You see, it's giving them those green scales. Let's darken this part right here because it's darker. Very, very dark. There we go. We can play just a little bit of green right here. Very, very little. Subtle. And green over here in these parts. If you see more little ribbons, you can actually just place them. Okay? Here as well. See, we got several types of green here, several values. A lemon green, mid-tone green, and just a green. And you can intensify this if you want by just putting another layer. Okay then? There we go. What darker values create are, let's say, that it looks deep. Okay, and highlights make stuff look higher, and a dark shadow makes things look deeper. Okay then. All right then. So here we got this. Now let's work with our dark blue. Okay, get your dark blue, and we're going to work on the very darkest parts of our drawing, like right here. And you're going to see how that green gets into another color, another shade of green. Here as well. These are the parts that are darkest of the darks. Okay then? Here as well. Here a little bit. Just a very, very slight little bit. Okay then? Not a lot. Here, it's very, very dark. Okay then? You see the differences? This green looks way different from this one right here. Alright then? Let's work with that. And I'm not pressuring the pencil. Alright then? Let me go down here a little bit. Very, very subtle. Very, very subtle here as well. Very subtle. Okay then? Subtle here as well. Here as well. Okay then? Here it's very, very dark. So we start here and we go out towards the top. You see? Here as well, it's dark here where the ear is. Little bit here. You see how we just gave that dark green another layer with just putting another blue? We gave it a dark green. Go over that green with your green pencil. Okay then? There we go. Alright then. There we go. There it is. Now, let's work with our black. We're going to be very subtle with black. We're not going to use it all in everything. Okay then? We're going to use it here and here. Alright then? We're going to use black in here. Okay then? There we go. That is very well. A little bit, just a very little bit here. Okay then? And here, right here. Subtleties of black. Okay then? We want that black to mix with the colors. Not to darken everything. We just want them to mix together. Here as well, very little. You see? Very, very little. Alright then, now, here it's dark, as you see. Here it's very dark as well. Here it's dark. Here as well. And just very slightly right here. Alright then, you see the differences. It's a little bit of dark right here. A little bit of dark here in the eye. Dark here in the eye as well. There we go. And let's put a little bit here. Just check where those darks are. Okay, that's the only thing that we're doing. A little bit here. Little bit. It's not a lot. It's a little bit here as well. See? Let's intensify these blacks here. Intensify it right here. Everywhere we put that hair, intensify it by putting just a little bit of black. Alright then, I want you to just go over it with your green and mix that black up together. We'll make a darker green.